Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Hitv and signing in. Open the show or file you plan to watch. Once done, pause playback so menus won't disappear when you navigate. Make sure your remote or device supports menu access and that you know which subtitle language you want. This avoids repeated searches. If using an external subtitle file, place it in the same folder as the video or on a USB drive so Hitv can detect it quickly. You now open the playback menu and choose subtitles or closed captions. This is where Hitv centralizes options. Once in, pick subtitle language if you want a built-in track, or select Load External Subtitle to add an SRT/AS file. Make sure file names match the video file name if auto-detect is expected, otherwise use Browse to locate the file. While doing this, pay attention to encoding settings. UTF, once the subtitle is selected, resume playback and check timing. If lines appear too early or late, use subtitle delay or offset controls to sync audio and text. If characters look garbled, switch encoding to UTF-8 or try a different subtitle file. If Hitv fails to detect external subtitles, restart the app, rescan the media library, or rename the file to match the video file name exactly. These steps resolve most common subtitle problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.